see why
These trucks
I knew this
do
was
not
gonna
belong
happen
on
because no one
Tremont
stops
Street.
at
Let
the
me
stop
replay
sign.
this for you.
This accident is absurd.
They do not belong
He
on
never
Tremont.
stopped at the stop sign. Didn't
This
even
is
put on
not a
his
truck
brake,
route.
the black car.
It's a residential
Well,
neighborhood.
police came, fire came.
Yeah, that pole's about to go
Showing
down.
you the accident at Tremont and Grove. The date and time above is correct. Today's the 2nd of April at 14:22. And you'll see why I knew this was going to happen because no one stops at the stop sign. This accident is absurd. He never stopped at the stop sign.